Installing vinyl lettering may seem daunting, but we're here to show you how it's done like the pros. You will need vinyl lettering from Signs by Tomorrow Rockville or Image 360 DC Bethesda, scissors, masking tape, measuring tape, a squeegee, or a plastic card such as a gift card. Your vinyl lettering comes with 3 layers. The bottom layer is backing paper, in the middle is the lettering itself, and on top, a sheet of transfer tape. To begin, clean your application surface. Then, using small pieces of masking tape, place the lettering on roughly where you'd like it to go. Measure from a straight reference point to a level edge on the lettering. Adjust the position of the lettering to make it level. Apply a vertical strip of masking tape down the center of the piece. This will function as your hinge. Remove the small masking tape at the top. Peel back the transfer tape on one side of the hinge. Letters should stick to the transfer tape, not the backing paper. Cut away the backing paper and discard. Hold the transfer tape taut and close to the surface. Working from the center out, firmly slide the squeegee against the transfer tape in an up and down motion. Once the layer is down, rub the squeegee of the surface firmly. Remove the tape hinge. Peel back the second half of the lettering and discard the remaining backing paper. Repeat the same steps, working again from the center out, firmly pressing the squeegee in an up and down motion. Rub the whole surface firmly with the squeegee to ensure good contact adhesion. Finally, pull back a corner of the transfer tape, and the production border if you have one, back at a sharp angle. And there you have it! Your vinyl lettering is installed.